Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dead Man's Quest. This unique virtual reality experience places you in a quirky pirate world. You'll take on the role of a ghost, trapped in a holding cell, with the ultimate goal of escaping your precarious situation. The game primarily uses intuitive hand-tracking controls, allowing for a truly immersive and interactive adventure. It's a short, narrative-driven puzzle game, best enjoyed in one continuous play session. The core mechanic of Dead Man's Quest involves possessing the bodies of various characters within the pirate fort. This allows you to interact with the environment and solve the many puzzles blocking your escape. You'll use your virtual hands to grab, pull, and manipulate objects, and even interact with other characters. Careful observation of your surroundings is key, as clues are often hidden in plain sight, guiding you through the narrative. Progressing through Dead Man's Quest means solving a series of clever environmental puzzles. You might need to combine different items or strategically use the unique abilities of the bodies you possess. You'll navigate through various locations within the pirate fort, from your initial holding cell to offices and other intriguing areas. Each solved puzzle brings you one step closer to uncovering the mystery of your predicament and ultimately achieving your escape. To maximize your enjoyment and success in Dead Man's Quest, remember a few key tips. Listen carefully to the quippy narrated dialogue, as it often contains subtle hints for puzzles. Don't be afraid to experiment with your hand gestures and how you interact with objects. Since there is no save system, prepare for one continuous play session. Most importantly, immerse yourself in the comical pirate theme and enjoy the unique, quirky adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.